Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So, a couple of days back, I just got this surprise package from Kerala Snack Factory. Obviously, it was a gift. My cousins gifted it to me, and I have to say that the package arrived in just 3 days. Um, and I have to say it's pretty quick. And the packaging is, as you can see, is decent. Is decent, and the day I received it was 10th, and the packed date that it was there on the chips was 7th. So 3 days of difference. That's it. That's pretty much it. And these guys, Kerala Snack Factory, they have quite a lot of flavors, which is what is very impressive about them. They have sweet banana chips. They have these that is called. They also refer to as jaggery chips. So the normal banana chips that we regularly get, those were fine. Those were okay, but the jaggery chips were so. You know, meh. So they also have a lot of other flavors, some spicy, a couple of things like that. So there you go. This is just a tiny unboxing and how the experience was. I hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching.